that's the big opportunity that I saw. I saw a big space for category creation in this market because I looked at global markets, right? अगर मैं US में urban women में इन services का penetration देखूं तो वो 40% है, चाइना में 17% है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 70% है, इंडिया में it's less than 1%.
You targeted Parminder auntie, one was the not so Vaishali,
Yeah,
and the final one the Rocky Randhawa,
Right.
So different buying personas, different age groups, and different maybe altogether expectation and requirement. अगर मैंने मेरे स्किन पे कोई ट्रीटमेंट लिया, ये मैंने कोई बालों पे कोई ट्रीटमेंट लिया, राइट, वो उस लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस, उस लेवल का मेरे को अवेयर कराना, so that I can go and talk to 10 people about this.
just stay at it. अगर आपका स्टार्टअप जिंदा है तो वो बढ़ता रहेगा, पर मर जाएगा तो बचेगा ही नहीं. Unfortunately, in India, people are not so vocal about the service. As a woman, I did have a lot of challenge in fundraising. There is a lot of apprehension against solo women founder. एक data है, Kalari Capital does a lot of work. Only 8% of capital that went to startup which had a women in the founding team.
Before Shark Tank, you have raised funds from different kind of investors or maybe early stage people. So any key difference between early stage or the seed kind of investor versus Shark Tank?
The best time to raise is when you have a very strong bargaining power. अगर आप capital deprived हो तो आपको हमेशा बेकार डील मिलेगी.
Myth you have to break for our audience कि पहले से decided रहता है कि नहीं रहता है.
मेरे को किसी की बकवास नहीं सुननी है. तब तक बिकॉज आई हैड पिच टू सो मेनी पीपल, आई हैड ऑल्सो रियलाइज कि किसी को कुछ आता वाता है नहीं, फ्री का ज्ञान सब, बिकॉज नोबडी नोज योर बिजनेस. दे माइट नो देयर बिजनेस वेरी वेल, बट देयर इज नो यूनिवर्सल कास्ट एंड स्टोन ट्रूथ कि ये तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, वो तो वैसे ही होना चाहिए.
Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Exchange Talk, our podcast series on business, startup and founders, where we cover stories from Indian aspiring and proven startups based from any industry. Today our guest Soumya Mishra, she is a founder of Avatar Skincare, and to introduce her, she has done a BTech in engineering from NIT Bhopal in electronics and communication and an MBA from IIM Bangalore. She also have a significant corporate experience in Bain and Company, Onyx and Struggle, where she has started everything from scratch in India. And then she entered into the world of startup. Welcome, Soumya.
Thank you. Thanks for
welcome to
having
the
me
show.
here.
She is also a national level pistol shooter
Yeah.
and a mother of a beautiful 6-year-old daughter. Welcome, Soumya Mishra, to our show Exchange Talk. Tell us something about how from Bain and Company and Onyx and Struggle, where it's completely a consulting and I can assume it's a far different role, and then landing on a Avatar Skincare, which is a new age business or a startup idea maybe in India. So what take you here and
Yeah, I think getting into entrepreneurship was never on the cards. It was never the plan. I come from a middle class household where the biggest aspiration was to become a very senior leader on the corporate side. But I think the kind of work that I did with Bain and Hydrake, now when I look at it, seems like destiny had already planned it. So when I was with Bain, I was very heavily exposed to the startup world. So I was doing due diligences when the deals were happening for Flipkart, Byju's, Myntra, Jabong, on the on the eastern side, yeah, companies like Noon, Namshi. So I always had this exposure on how a small startup with a very unique proposition, they start a journey, customers start to love, then investors would put capital into the startups, and then these baby companies become such large challengers to establish brand. That's what I saw at Bain, and which was always very intriguing. And then with Hydric, I think I explored myself as an entrepreneur. So my mandate with Hydric was to set up Hydric Consulting in India from scratch, which involved set up the team, set up the office, set up all the support functions, scout for business, deliver business. For the first time in life, there were sales targets. And I really liked that journey. So between the two, I was very, very inspired to then start up, have a venture of my own. And that's how I got into
And
Avatar.
when you were talking about these startups like Zebong and early stage startups, what all years might be around 2013, 14,
This
15
was
kind of
2016.
2016, right? When startup success news story has started coming
Yes.
out, right? And when we were on the other side of the table, right? Maybe as a consultant, maybe as a auditor from a big four or something, right? वहाँ से जब वो सारी सक्सेस स्टोरीज हम लोग देख रहे हैं, हम लोग सुन रहे हैं, राइट? सो देन देयर इज अ different flavor, right? And then you switched to this role directly and sat on another side of the table. So how was your initial 2 years when you were planning right from that side of the table and when you landed at the another side of the table where you are everything, right?
So 2 years of Avatar, or two
Yeah,
years pre 2 years
yeah.
of Avatar. Yeah, it was a much more challenging experience than I would have imagined it to be, because shifting from a very good high end, high paying job to entrepreneurship is a big journey, because when you're working at good firms, everybody around you is very smart. There is salary kicking in on first of every month. The biggest troubles, or like things that could get you nightmares, are, worst case would be, what if the client did not like this idea, and what will we do? Uh, and from there, when you are an entrepreneur, your company's survival in the initial years is in question almost every single day, every single night. You are sleeping with the thought, what if, I've put so much at stake, I have left a good job, I am almost never available from my family, I don't have any social life, I'm investing so much into it, what if it fails? So that's second. Then the third is, when you're starting small, you don't have the resources to get the best talent. So you are, or for that matter, not just talent, like other resources, right? Like the office that you're working in, the laptop you're working on, the kind of softwares you're getting to use. So everything takes a major dip, and you have to make that compromise, because it's a small company. So, like, the philosophy towards working completely changes from, experiencing the best to experiencing whatever limited is possible in those
Right.
constrained
And
resources.
on your this third point, na, at that time, in the very first time in my career, maybe most of the non-HR or non-TA guys would have faced कि जब इस वाले zone में आ जाते हैं ना, then we feel कि yeah, TA hiring the right talent, what is
Oh,
that role, what is that actual pain, right? कि finding the right candidate, you should
yeah.
have that right sort of at least candidates to even interview.
Yeah.
Joining is much later, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
at that time, I personally also started feeling, yeah, developers, you need coders, you need subject matter expert, you
Yeah.
need a sales guy. How to find अब अभी कहाँ से लाओगे जो तो, और that side of the table you are कि ठीक है, we'll have a team of 10 people, there's a project coming in, we'll have a team of 25 people, right? अब इसमें when we entered into Avatar Skincare, right, we heard you saying like there's a certain personal story to it in a background, and one of your cousin who was also dealing in some these kind of equipments, though you have found a different procurement channel, maybe much better, which is currently maybe not available everywhere, and maybe everyone are not using that kind of a technology. So again, I'm saying that is a complete new area for you, or maybe you had certain idea earlier, like before entering into Avatar, maybe when you were planning, so you're researching about the right kind of equipments, right kind of procurement channels and all. So what landed you there? Okay, this is the right machine for what business will differentiate me.
So, I had almost zero clue about this industry as a provider, but I was a very loyal consumer of this industry, and not just in big cities. I come from Bhopal. I've experienced these treatments in Bhopal. I've experienced these treatments in Bangalore, Bombay, and Delhi. So I knew what is it that a consumer wants, what are the high points of services like these, and what is it that the consumers don't get today. I had like full consumer insights as a customer. Secondly, like you said, like, and kudos to you for watching my Shark Tank episode so diligently. I had somebody in the family who was associated with this business on the B2B side. So I had some exposure on, the economics, what kind of devices are available, so on and so forth, from there. And then third is, I started to, with these two inputs, I started to research what is world's best, when it comes to every service, like when it comes to permanent hair removal, where does it happen the best, what are the kind of results, what are the kind of devices, what are the specifications of those devices. So I'm an electronics engineer, that helped me a lot.
Right.
What are the brands, does it make, so lot of research. And then because of my cousin being in the space, my mother being a doctor who had dermatologist friends, so I used the power of network from there.
About Avatar, right? When we talk Avatar, maybe most of the people do not know these kind of service exist in Indian
Yeah.
markets, right? People even at some time listen about it for the very first time कि कहीं पे ad देखा तो but ad देख के समझ नहीं आया. Most of the people,
Yeah,
I'm not-
100%.
right? And then those kind of a double thoughts arises in our mind, right? So you mentioned very smartly when you entered, and we'll discuss Shark Tank also, right, in the coming time. But when you entered, right, that was a pitch was one of the most unique pitch. So you targeted three buying personas there. One was the Parminder auntie, one was the not so Vaishali,
Yeah.
and the final one, the Rocky Randhawa,
Right.
right? So different buying personas, different age groups, and different maybe altogether expectation and requirement as
Yeah.
well. So how does having those kind of an insight in early days, again I'm going back to the early days only, okay, these are my buying, and these are just three highlighted, there can be other segments as well, okay, one from 25 to 30, there are three use cases, one from 35 to 40, and then every single buying persona will have a different kind of a services or expectation from these kind of a, तो अब उनको where will they get the right kind of a knowledge कि ये सही करवाने जा रहा हूँ या will that have any side effect और किससे कोई impact तो नहीं होगा. So वो उनको knowledge awareness कहाँ से मिले.
Yeah.
Right knowledge. Google पे both kind of a content is available.
Yeah.
Pro and cons, side effects and positives. तो उनको right set of awareness किस, where do they get that?
So honestly नहीं थी कहीं, नहीं है कहीं. And that's the big opportunity that I saw. I saw a big space for category creation in this market, because I looked at global markets, right? अगर मैं US में urban women में इन services का penetration देखूं तो वो 40% है, चाइना में 17% है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 70% है, इंडिया में it's less than 1%. So because there is lack of awareness, and now why is there a lack of awareness? Because the local clinics and the bigger brands, the way this setup has been operating so far was that in my 2-3 kilometer radii, मेरे को, I want to acquire, let's say, 15 very, very affluent mid-aged women, and I keep using them month on month, and my business is set. Nobody was actually focusing on the common person, where okay, they should know ये क्या services हैं. I make my services affordable for everybody, because customer acquisition is a task. It's very easy to find 15 people, build very good relationship with them, उनके आपको बच्चों के भी नाम पता है, उनके आपकी पूरी family की birth date पता है, and you keep milking them. This was not happening in this category, and then the good part was that if you're introduced to something by somebody, 90% of the case you'll trust that person also with the service. So our game started by saying that, look, there's so much information mismatch here. We're going to put everything on our app, everything on our website कि ये service होती है, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 ये है, ये exactly ये results हैं, ये results नहीं हैं, and सब लिखित में है. So in even the largest of the brands, there is no brochure, there is no rate card. It is all a function of कि आप आए हो clinic में, I will look at what brand of bag you're carrying, आपके पास कौन सा mobile है, and the worst and the most unethical part is आप कितने insecure हो. क्या
Right.
आपको ये सर्विस चाहिए क्योंकि आपकी शादी नहीं हो पा रही है?
Right.
क्या आपको इसलिए चाहिए बिकॉज यू नो यू फील योर हस्बैंड इज स्टार्टेड टू लुक अराउंड एंड इज नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन? क्या आपको इसलिए चाहिए कि जो घर में जो देवरानी अब आ गई है वो मुझसे ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव दिखती है?
Absolutely.
And based on that, you know, women were exploited on rates जो उनकी जरूरत नहीं है वो पिच किया जा रहा था. And honestly that was the biggest opportunity that I saw. इसको democratize करने का बहुत scope है. And that's also the reason why we've grown so much, because we are able to build that trust and transparency.
Right. ये जो last point you mentioned, like they are unaware, they have certain stigma or certain restriction inside as well. और ये जो डर का माहौल, मैं इसको साफ शब्दों में, and this happens in every trade. Like you go to a, unquotingly, not talking about any profession, you go to any profession, right? They'll show you कि if you do not do that, what can happen?
Yeah.
Maybe a simple cough can become a cancer.
Yeah.
Example, just for example, अभी in this crowded D2C market over the last 3-4 years, there are certain products, right? New products. Since 2 decades, since ages, since we were growing up, we have seen all those 4 or 5 companies product, right? Fair and Lovely, BoroPlus, अमीर लोगों के लिए L'Oreal, maybe Ponds, maybe बहुत सारी और क्रीम जिसकी companies are same but launching new products. So product market में चल रहा था. Then came in products like Pilgrim, products like Minimalist, products like Wow, Cetaphil, जिसने उसको प्रीमियम भी कर दिया और ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए बताया कि वी आर जस्ट मेंशनिंग इट्स प्योर, नो केमिकल फ्री, वी आर हाईलाइटिंग, गिविंग दोज रिपोर्ट्स, राइट? तो प्रोडक्ट में स्टिल पीपल कैन शो यू कि मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट यूज करा, आई कैन शो इट टू माई कोलीग्स और फ्रेंड्स और यू, आई एम यूजिंग दिस एंड दैट. In this business, again, very curious to know, because right, okay, I have consumed a service, right? This can show on my face or my hairs, right? But उस अवेयरनेस के साथ उस जो आपका हमारा बाइंग पर्सन है उसको वो कॉन्फिडेंस देना कि यार यू कैन गो आउट एंड टॉक अबाउट दिस एज वेल. इसमें कोई शर्माना नहीं. अगर मैंने मेरे स्किन पे कोई ट्रीटमेंट लिया, ये मैंने कोई बालों पे कोई ट्रीटमेंट लिया, राइट, वो उस लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस, उस लेवल का मेरे को अवेयर कराना, सो दैट आई कैन गो एंड टॉक टू 10 पीपल अबाउट दिस, रेदर देन वो चुपचाप वो सर्विसेज ले लिया, मेरे मन में अभी भी वो मन में बैठा हुआ है कि नहीं बताऊंगा नहीं किसी को. So have you seen this kind of a
Yeah,
change?
yeah,
as well, right?
100%. Nahi, there's no change. Nobody wants to talk about taste.
Yes.
You forget the common consumer. We have so many celebrity clients, like celebrities with like millions of followership, because our model is very convenient, right? You book it on app and घर में आके
Right,
हो जाएगा,
right,
and they
right.
keep needing these services left, right, center. Nobody wants to, they're so worried that it should not leak that I am consuming these services, because मेरी तो दुकान ही इस पे चल रही है that you know this is the diet that I consume, and this is the face yoga that I do, and this is the yoga that I do. So unfortunately in India, people are not so vocal about these services. And if I talk about a common consumer, right, we keep asking for referrals, etc. So permanent hair reduction में referral 100% मिलेगा. People flaunt that, you know, I'm lasered and you know how cool I am, I'm not stuck with waxing. But whenever it comes to beauty treatments, or you know, treatments for acne, pigmentation, anti-aging, body contouring, people are generally hesitant to share that we are taking support from services like these, which will also change, because like for example, when I was working, when I used to go to Dubai, even in Dubai, which is not US, right, it's still Dubai, they like, you know, my counterparts in those offices would take something called a Botox break, and they were like, hey, we are just stepping out for a Botox break, you want to join us?
There are many very uncommon things here which you find very common outside. Whenever
Yeah,
you go to
but
an
it's a matter
event,
of time. I think, you know,
यहाँ भी होगा.
India tracks those part of the world with a lag of say 3 to 5 years.
It become
यहाँ पे
very
भी हो
common.
जाएगा.
Now you talk about 10 years back, how common and it was a menstrual leaves. Now India, every third or fourth startup will you have that kind of a leaf service. Now it's becoming very common, right? So धीरे धीरे वो changes आ रहे हैं. तो people like celebrities and people from bureaucrats like IS, IPS who are very powerful, but they do not want identity to be disclosed.
Yeah.
There, right? And ये हर इस तरह की services में है, but assuming कि ये धीरे धीरे हट जाएगा. With startups like these, businesses like these, I think more awareness and right kind of a confident knowledge, if provided at the right time to the right person, और जिस तरह की अभी जनरेशन बड़े हो रहे हैं, जिस तरह माहौल में हमारे, ये खत्म हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
We are assuming,
Yes,
we are
yes,
expecting
yes,
it, right?
100%.
Last question about this and then we'll move. One is, मैं आया and when I returning I am very dissatisfied. मैं आया तो कुछ और ही expectation के साथ. I am very dissatisfied customer because मैंने कहीं ad देखा, कहीं पढ़ा, कहीं समझा. अब now my expectation are from 0 to 100, not 0 to 1 or 1 to 5, because it's a process. What I believe,
Yeah.
listening to your certain presentations
Yeah.
and certain business things, कि ये एक process है. You have to maybe take
Yeah.
these doses or treatments every month, quarter, and then 6 months to
Yeah.
again a booster, right? But मेरा first experience में मेरी expectation next level थी. अभी I'm going back very dissatisfied or fighting with you because there will be customers like these as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a consumer business.
How do you उनको कैसे समझाना है, क्योंकि उसके लिए तो एक्सपेक्टेशन थी मैं आया 0 पे, I will become 10.
No, so first the expectation. So our process is that when a customer comes, they get somebody called a skin consultant who would explain to them everything. Then there is a dermatologist who's involved who will also set the right expectation.
Right.
And once the customer has decided they want to go for it, there is also an onboarding call which aligns the expectation very, very clearly that this is what it will take. And by the way, nobody can predict how you look even after 10 sessions.
Right.
So it's a process. This is the science. Now it depends. आपके surface को देख के मुझे नहीं पता आपका pigmentation कितना deep है. बहुत deep हो सकता है तो then I cannot even say कि आप 25 session में भी it will get recovered or not.
Right.
But what we can guarantee is that this is going to be the best possible solution for you globally. अगर कोई ठीक कर सकता है या कम कर सकता है आपके concern को, it's us. Nobody else can do it better than us. So we do that. So like so we don't see a lot of that. But having said that, कुछ लोगों के expectations इसके बावजूद भी like at least after 6 sessions मैंने तो ये सोचा था ये होना चाहिए, होता है. We try to counsel them. We try to make them meet a dermatologist. Sometimes they get convinced and then they buy more. Sometimes they leave us and then come back to us after 6 months after trying everything else in the world, that what actually the kind of results that I was getting incrementally with Avatar at the prices and at the convenience, it just does not exist. So we just be patient for customers who are not so satisfied, with the confidence that they 100% they're going to come back.
So जब मैंने अपनी लाइफ में पहली बार D10 या फेशियल कराया था ना, तो मेरे को भी ऐसी ही कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन थी, अनरियलिस्टिक सी, कि यार गए हैं 2000 रुपये खर्चा करा है, बाहर आएंगे तो इट विल बी मतलब. बट व्हेन यू आर used to it, when you do it maybe once or twice in a year, and when you are habitual maybe, and when you have understood things, अभी आपको पता है कि it's not for कि तुम अंदर गए और ऐसे बाहर आ जाओ. It's a thing, it's a kind of a add on to it. एक बहुत quoted treatment है आपकी इंडस्ट्री में, glutathione 4.
Glutathione is like the biggest aesthetic use case for it is to brighten the skin tone, और like बहुत मैं crudely बोलूँ तो लोग और गोरा होने के लिए glutathione tablets consume करते हैं या patches करते हैं, और a very specialized provider us would provide glutathione IV drips. Now the science of that treatment is that glutathione is an antioxidant which is anyway naturally present in your body. Over time, the levels of glutathione in your body start to deplete. Now, when you supplement it from externally, what it does is it basically reduces the oxidative stress, it detoxifies your body, has got pigmentation control properties, so it can help you regain your original skin tone. Which means कि अगर आपका sun exposure बहुत ज़्यादा है, या you smoke a lot, या आपकी life में बहुत stress है, or you're not sleeping well, or you're not following a proper diet, all of these things have an impact on how you look or how much your skin glows. Now what glutathione does is कि जब तक आप glutathione के levels maintain कर रहे हो, वो आपने जो पाप किए हैं उनकी भरपाई कर देता है. Which means कि अगर आपने सारे precautions follow किए होते, and you were having a good diet, good sleep, less stress, no smoking, no alcohol, no direct sun exposure, तो आप जैसे दिखते, glutathione can take you to that level. अब generally because everybody has one of these problems, तो उनका skin tone उनके original skin tone से एक आध shade या 2 shade darker रहता है. Now if you start consuming glutathione, starts to look brighter, and then अगर pigmentation है तो there are a lot of studies which have also proven that glutathione can control pigmentation. So the यूज केस इज नॉट रॉन्ग एंड दैट्स द रीजन कि वो इतना पॉपुलर है पूरी दुनिया में. But a lot of times what these clinics would do, and I'm sorry to say a lot of dermatologists would also do, is set a very very wrong expectation कि आप ग्लूटाथायोन ले लो, आप गोरे हो जाओगे. अब गोरे हो जाओगे तो डेफिनेशन एक शेड कम भी गोरा है, 6 शेड कम भी गोरा है. अब बस मैंने इतना बोला, हाँ सही में गोरे हो जाएंगे, मेरा स्किन टोन कितना लाइट होगा, कितना लाइट होगा. मैम हमारे तो क्लाइंट्स हैं, उनने तो 4-4 5-5 बार भी देखा. मैंने अभी भी नहीं बोला आपको कि आप 5 शेड गोरे हो जाओगे, बट मैंने आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग तो वैसे ही कर दी. एंड अगर आप इन आवर सोसाइटी वेयर unfortunately brides get picked up based on their color tone, क्योंकि हस्बैंड को अट्रैक्शन तब आता है जब लड़की गोरी है, बच्चा सुंदर होगा अगर माँ सुंदर होगी. इतने सारे फैक्टर्स हैं. द इनसिक्योरिटी अनफॉर्चुनेटली टू लुक फेयरर इज सो बैड कि कोई थोड़ी सी भी होप आपको दिखा देता है तो पीपल जस्ट बाय इनटू इट, which is the sad part of aesthetics, that the expectation setting is very bad. तो मैंने आपको पेपर पे भी नहीं कहा, मैंने आपको कमेंट भी नहीं किया, बट मैंने ऑलमोस्ट आपको बेवकूफ
Again,
बना
it's
दिया.
a pick between absolute and a relative term. मैंने गोरा हो जाओगे बोला किसी रिलेटिविटी कंसेप्ट में, मैंने उसको पिक कर लिया एज ए एब्सोल्यूट टर्म कि उतना गोरा हो जाऊंगा, ये whatever.
Exactly.
And that kind of
Exactly.
a unclear message is deliberately delivered
Yeah.
so that there is nothing specific, ना. It's
Yeah.
generic, you can define it anyhow
Yeah.
later on. जैसे हम business agreements में करते हैं, generic नहीं छोड़ते, open छोड़
Exactly.
देते
So
हैं
the
कुछ भी.
and these are the kind of things that we, and like we also have, it's a business, we also need sales, and then जब हमारे agents बात कर रहे होते हैं तो our business is also at a risk of something like this happening. Now we have put so much AI into every call that we are able to catch. There is a very big brand which became very big and then is nothing now because the sales team was making false commitments. आपने हमारा कोर्स नहीं लिया तो बच्चा आपका जो है टॉयलेट क्लीनर बनेगा. तो उस तरह को अवॉइड करने के लिए वी हैव दीज चेक्स एंड वी आर ऑल्सो एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज बहुत टेक इन्वॉल्व है.
Right.
नाउ अब अगर मैं एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हूँ, मुझे भी नहीं पता है कि मेरी काउंसलर बाहर बैठ के क्या उल्टा सीधा कमिट कर रही है लोगों को फेस टू फेस, क्योंकि फेस टू फेस तो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा ना कुछ.
ठीक है. Now on the business side, we'll talk on the specifics, but before that, as a woman entrepreneur or woman founder, there are a lot of celebrated women founders in India, fortunately, because that success has been measured now. It has been marketed maybe, or it has been in the public information. Like you talk about Nykaa, we talk about Mamaearth, and they are successful startups now. It is celebrated, but behind the scenes there are a lot of uncelebrated startups as well, which are women led, or maybe women founders are doing a lot of those startups which even no one is thinking about, right? But they will also get celebrated maybe 3 or 4 or 5 years down the line when the news will come out that there has been unicorn कि series C funding from a very big short VC firm, right? But उसके अलावा अभी इंडिया में like Pristine Care था, Cash Karo है, like we talk about Nykaa, Mamaearth, Baby Chakra. Then they also had another startup which is $1 billion now. I'm forgetting the name, right? वो आ रहे पाइप में एंड दे आर, हम लोगों को भी अब पता चलते हैं, लेकिन देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप जो 2020 में स्टार्ट हुए, 21 में स्टार्ट हुए, 22 में स्टार्ट हुए. व्हाट आर, देयर शुड बी अ चैनल्स, देयर शुड बी अ कम्युनिटी देयर वेयर पीपल go and study about those startups और early stage companies as well, right? कि भाई जब सक्सेस हो जाएगा तो हर पब्लिकेशन में उसकी न्यूज़ होगी, तो आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पता ही चल जाएंगी. बट लाइक आज मेरे को किसी एक 6 महीने पुराने, 10 महीने पुराने स्टार्टअप के बारे में कुछ जानना है, तो देयर व्हाट आर योर थॉट दैट देयर शुड बी मे बी अ कम्युनिटी, मे बी समथिंग चैनल्स लाइक वेयर all the women founders, all the women entrepreneurs, or maybe aspiring women entrepreneurs are given a kind of a like technology know-how, or maybe a certain kind of boosters wherein they can take के वो limelight में आना शुरू हो. और not limelight उसके लिए, but people should recognize कि they also exist, and it applies to all kind of startup, whether women or men, but I'm talking here about from women. So when you started, right, certain early stage challenges from a business side we discussed, but from other external sides, maybe customers, maybe investors, maybe family, or to some portion, maybe your colleagues, maybe your own network, there are certain early stage challenges, and especially when you are a mother, when you are also running a family. So, and now present is known, right? But how that you have crossed all steps one by one at that time, and you were just planning, I'll come to that stage and I'll start something of this own. This is my idea. There are supporters, there are who were saying कि यार ये क्या कर रहे हो, ये थोड़ी चलता है इंडिया में. There kind of
Yeah,
those
of
kind of
course, they're
feedbacks as
naysayers.
well.
Fortunately, I come from a family which is very supportive on my parents' side and my in-laws' side. So I did not have to think about that, oh, मेरा घर कैसे चलेगा, या खाना कौन बनाएगा, या बच्चे को कौन देखेगा, because my previous role was also very hectic. I was not a founder, but I was almost a founder, working very hard when I was with both Bain and Hydrake. So time commitment, like when I was working in those, मैं वैसे भी 14-16 घंटे काम करती थी. So I knew उससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा, which by the way change. उससे ज़्यादा ये होता है कि तब मैं 5 दिन काम करती थी और अब मैं 7 दिन काम करती हूँ, and 7 दिन मैं 14 घंटे करती हूँ. So but at that point in time, it felt like that my home is sorted, and in fact very very positive. I am the first entrepreneur in my family from both the sides. So I was like, I started to get celebrated in the family that here's a हमारे घर के सबसे well educated बच्ची या बहू is now venturing out. Everybody supported financially, morally. So fortunately, I did not have that challenge. But I did have, as a woman, I did have a lot of challenge in fundraising. And I get it, because लोगों को लगता है कि you are a solo founder. आप जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तब तो हर किसी को लगता है मैं यूनिकॉर्न बना लूंगा या बना लूंगी, बट देन इट्स अ लॉन्ग सुपर चैलेंजिंग जर्नी. सो वैसे ही आप अकेले हो, तो वैसे ही हमको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है कि आप अकेले you'll be able to tolerate and survive all of that. Plus आपका एक बच्चा भी है. So there is another variable. मतलब लोगों को डाउट होता है, पता नहीं किस दिन आपकी ममता जाग जाएगी कि ये सब गया भाड़ में, मेरे लिए तो मेरा बच्चा. But we have put our money on you. Then we don't know how your in-laws, your husband and all of that is going to react to your you being not available at all. So there is a lot of apprehension against सोलो वुमेन फाउंडर. एक डेटा है, क्या कहते हैं, कलारी कैपिटल डज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, बिकॉज इट्स अ फीमेल VC led company, that only 8% of capital that went to startups which had a women in the founding team.
And interestingly, मैं इसमें एक चीज़ ऐड करता हूँ, 8% also it has dropped. Earlier it was 9.25%.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अब वो उसमें एक तो ड्रॉप आया. अब वैल्यूएशन वाइज आप देखोगे तो ज़्यादा हो गया. 1.5 billion dollar अराउंड फंडिंग वुमेन स्टार्टअप्स हैड गॉट ऑल अराउंड 200 स्टार्टअप्स. बट जितनों को मिला उनमें से पहले 10% के आसपास था, अभी 8 हो गए. तो मतलब फ्रॉम दैट रिपोर्ट ओनली, राइट, कि अब और नीचे आ रहा है, उसको तो और ऊपर आना चाहिए था, राइट.
आएगा ऊपर. आई थिंक पहले लोग विमेन CXOs नहीं चाहते थे, बिकॉज फॉर द सेम रीजंस. देन अ लॉट ऑफ विमेन came forward, they proved themselves, and then the community benefited. I think very soon we will see many successful women entrepreneur, and it's a journey. हमारे जेंडर को तो हमेशा एक जर्नी तय करनी पड़ती है. पहले औरतें बाहर काम नहीं कर सकती थी, फिर वो सीनियर लेवल पे नहीं जा सकती थी, फिर ऐसी विमेन बहुत कम दिखती थी जिनका करियर भी अच्छा है, फैमिली भी बढ़िया चल रही है. Now all of that is changing. So and then we got incubated in Peak 15 Spark program. Like when everybody said no to me, Peak 15 gave us the first check. बहुत अच्छे से mentor किया. They got our business to what it was in the pre-Shark Tank days. फिर Shark Tank में से अलग growth आ गई. And then after that, like we had so much word of mouth and referrals and brand. Then
we'll discuss Shark Tank वाला part on another segment. अभी on a business, we have discussed operation, we have discussed model, we have discussed what customer requires, how we are serving ops. Now 100 बात की एक बात पे आते हैं, like matrices, numbers, which maybe the world want to know. Even if not know, people who are the stakeholders, they want to track it. Maybe your investors, maybe the people, early stage investors, seed, and maybe now Shark Tank also like invested, right? Abhi we have listened कि ठीक है, this is our month on month recurring, then these are our cash burns, these are certain, you mentioned customer acquisition cost is high, so you are also tracking CAC, then LTV. So you will define your business model like कि हमारा gross margin is good, like
Yeah.
इसमें मतलब when I first listened कि okay यार anything in SaaS anything above 70 is very good. In operation business, I've never heard of that kind of a gross margin,
Yeah.
but having a 87% kind of a gross margin, again it's a ice on the top.
Yeah.
So for that we need to go, but ठीक है इसमें, but as a month on month whenever you do certain thing very substantially, so because you mentioned you are a solo founder, right? So like having a eye from the top on your CACs, on your recurring revenue, on your monthly burns, on your cash runway left. So how do you see all these numbers, because you come from a consulting background as well, right? So you have seen all these numbers and you are very maybe in
Yeah.
data crunching you must be very master at that time, and now you own that. So how do you do this on a month basis? How are you tracking? How are you seeing these numbers? या बढ़ गया अभी तो रोकना पड़ेगा, या अभी मस्त सेल्स तो 15 लाख बढ़ गई लेकिन ये खर्चा वापस से मेरा कैश बर्न बढ़ गया. तो how do you manage all these stuffs?
I have a very amazing team. I think one thing that I have been, actually, two things that I've been very lucky with in my entrepreneur journey. First one is the family, that is my cheer, and second is the team that kept building. Now, you mentioned I'm a consultant. We have four more consultants in the founding office, my juniors from Bain, who just take care of most of this. So these days, all that I do is take strategic calls, but rest of the business, and I talk to my team, like the junior people a lot, to get a pulse of what's happening on the customer side, the therapist side, the tech side. But in terms of data, and we invested a lot of time and resources in setting the right processes. Now our business has become very very scalable. Everything, सारा data tech से निकलता है, एक export में सब आ जाता है. You are able to, like, सारे dashboard set हैं. We have something called a weekly review in which, like, the entire
Right.
leadership team gets into a room for 2 hours. Like, इस business का जितना भी dissection होता है, हम हर metric को, we go through every metric, we track them on week basis. We make decisions in the room. So now it's very easy. Earlier it was like I was doing everything, but तब business भी छोटा था. छोटे business में कितने ही metrics आप track करोगे,
Right.
कितना ही revenue का cut निकालोगे. So,
दिस डैशबोर्ड पे ना नंबर 100 बिलियन का हो, 1 बिलियन का हो, या फिर 100 रुपए का, वो बनाने में टाइम उतना ही लग रहा
yeah.
होगा. ठीक है, तो जो आपने बोला कि जब नंबर्स बहुत कम है या वॉल्यूम बहुत कम है तो कितना ही कर लोगे, बट एज इट्स स्केलिंग मंथ ऑन मंथ और क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक पीपल वांट टू नो कि हाँ भाई इस टाइप के बिजनेस में कैसे 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 कहाँ पैसा जाता है. लाइक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में सारे
Yeah.
हेड्स अलग हैं, सैस में बिल्कुल अलग है, आपके वाले ऑप्स प्लस टेक काइंड ऑफ मिक्स आई कैन से, उसमें थोड़ा अलग
नहीं,
काइंड ऑफ
हम लोग को तो वी हैव टू गो टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ कि अहमदाबाद में हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल ट्रीटमेंट में मुझे मेटा में कितना पैसा डालना है, मुझे व्हाट्सएप में कितना पैसा डालना है, मुझे गूगल में कितना पैसा डालना है. दिस इज लाइक, एंड ऐसे हमें लाइक एटलीस्ट 60-70 कॉल्स लेने होते हैं ओनली ऑन मार्केटिंग. दैट्स जस्ट मार्केटिंग. Hiring is another thing, sales is another thing, CRM is another thing. तो इस स्केल पे तो unless it is automated, you cannot do it.
सो बस अज्यूमिंग, फिर खत्म इस पे नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं कि लाइक जैसे आपने बताया मेटा, गूगल, लिंक्डइन, नाउ दीज आर चैनल्स, फिर सिटी वाइज अलग अलग बिहेव करते होंगे कि कॉस्ट पर लीड फ्रॉम मेटा इन दिल्ली एनसीआर इज दिस, but the same cost per lead in from Meta in Ahmedabad
And there is
or
another
Kerala.
complication. Cost per lead per service from an awareness ad, from a conversion ad, from a WhatsApp ad,
awareness,
from a boosted reel is this. तो उस लेवल पे हमें बजट एलोकेशन
Right.
करना पड़ता है.
मैं पूरा समझ सकते हैं. हम तो ऐसे 6 या 9 सेगमेंट चलाते हैं अपने यहाँ, लेकिन वो 6-9 में ही हमारे को इतना घुसना पड़ता है कि नहीं यार, ये कई एड्स आपको 4 दिन के अंदर बंद कर देने पड़ते हैं.
Yeah,
4 दिन
yeah.
में कई बार हो सकता है वो 8वें दिन काम करे, लेकिन आप ट्रैक करने का एक कॉन्स ये भी हो सकता है कि यार यू डोंट गिव इनफ टाइम टू अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग टू परफॉर्म. ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव टॉक अबाउट मदरहुड, वी हैव टॉक अबाउट दीज नंबर्स. अभी व्हेन you highlighted the Kalari Capital data and when you were raising funds, ठीक है, we mentioned कि ठीक है only 8% of the women got funded, but फिर मैंने पीछे एक point छेड़ा था, like again who are those 8% funded startups, right? again, whenever we have these kind of a discussion about women entrepreneurs and founders, like we say there should be those kind of a forums or awareness sessions, or maybe those kind of a platforms where people are aware about, okay, these are these 8%, and out of these there can be 20, 25, 30 unicorns. If you measure a success of a startup in terms of evaluation, then these are the unicorn, or up to unicorns, or would be unicorns in future. And these are the startups who are not in a category of valuation वाला गेम, लेकिन 100 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू करते हैं, प्रॉफिट करते हैं, बिजनेस अच्छा चल रहा, हाईलाइटेड कहीं नहीं है, सेलिब्रेटेड कहीं नहीं है, राइट? तो ये मिसिंग है, अभी बहुत बड़ा गैप है. हाउ अभी आपका भी एक नेटवर्क बनते जा रहा है, लाइक यू गो टू एनडीटीवी पैनल डिस्कशन, यू गो टू मेनी न्यू टॉक शोज और न्यूज चैनल, वेयर आई सॉ योर एनडीटीवी वाला टॉक शो, राइट, जहाँ पे देर आर अदर फाउंडर्स एज वेल. तो नाउ व्हेन यू गो एंड टॉक टू देम, and when you go and talk to them 2 or 3 years back, कोई चेंज, व्हाट चेंज यू हैव नोटिस यार, ये तो बहुत पॉजिटिव चेंज आ रहा है इस वाले चीज़ में. पीपल आर नाउ सेलिब्रेटिंग, नाउ मेल्स आर ऑल्सो कमिंग फॉरवर्ड, इन्वेस्टर्स आर ऑल्सो कमिंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड ये वाला फैक्टर हटा दिया है मेल फीमेल वाला अभी फ्रॉम अ फंडिंग पॉइंट ऑफ.
आई थिंक हटा तो नहीं है. आई थिंक द गुड पार्ट इज देयर आर अ लॉट मोर कॉन्वर्जेशंस. आप बात कर रहे हो, यू नो, ऑफ योर podcast, you've dedicated a significant time to women entrepreneurship. Government is doing a lot of work. अभी VCs as corporate social responsibility at least बात तो कर रहे हैं, पहले तो वो भी नहीं था. चर्चा शुरू हुई है तो रिजल्ट्स भी आएंगे. So you just need 2-3 women. So Naika Falguni also had her own struggles when she was raising, and then it became such a big company. So we need more examples, and then I think we'll be there.
Right. Now coming to my favorite topic, Shark Tank.
Mm-hmm.
Before Shark Tank, you have raised funds from different kind of investors or maybe early stage people. So any key difference between early stage or a seed kind of investor versus Shark Tank kind of a due diligence, or when funds actually came into accounts, what is the process is different, criteria evaluation is very different, like when you were raising, when you was not funded, and when you got your first fund from PQ, and then Shark Tank, and maybe some other are also there. So any key differences in the approach, or maybe in evaluation, or maybe in trust factors, पहला आ जाता है तो दूसरा थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है, दूसरा आ जाता है, तीसरा थोड़ा हो जाता है. These are the common myths and questions in the industry. Maybe the audience also want to understand about कि
So we have raised only from family offices. We raised everything after Shark Tank. So उससे पहले we just had the grant from Peak 15 and we built a business on that. We had VC term sheets, so we have gone through the process. We've now, to the viewers, I would say, see, you will have to decide what is it that you want. At the point where we were receiving term sheets, and mind you, it was very difficult to land the first deal, like extremely difficult. जब पहली term sheet आई थी तो ऐसा लगा था कि ये तो मतलब जीवन सिद्ध हो गया है कि अब हमें एक टॉप टियर VC ने इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए एक टर्म शीट दे दी है. बट एक्चुअली द गेम स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर द टर्म शीट. जब आपके पास क्लॉज के बाद आते हैं, उन पे जो नेगोशिएशन शुरू होता है, दैट इज व्हेन यू नीड टू डिसाइड कि what is the working model that you want and what is the right time of it. At that time, we took a conscious call that given the stage at which we are at, given the market conditions, because आपका valuation market condition पे बहुत depend करता है. We received these term sheets in like mid 2023, which was a very very bad time. Bargaining, it was a buyer's market, it was not a seller's market, and उसी हिसाब से terms होते हैं. So किसी बहुत नेक इंसान ने हमें सही टाइम पे गाइड किया कि बेटा आप सीड स्टेज पे हो, आपका बिजनेस, आपका मंथली बर्न कुछ नहीं है, 5 लाख रुपए है, आप 20 करोड़ रुपए मत रेस करो जिसमें आपको सामने वाला कह रहा है कि मुझे 25% तो इक्विटी चाहिए एंड 20% मैं ईसॉप बनाऊंगा. सो इन द सीड राउंड इटसेल्फ यू आर ऑलमोस्ट close to losing your minority, and that's the call we take, and that is something that people should know. So the best time to raise is when you have a very strong bargaining power. अगर आप capital deprived हो तो आपको हमेशा बेकार डील मिलेगी. So you always have to be the person जहाँ पे आपके पास you can negotiate and you can raise on your own terms.
फुल्ली एग्री. मैं सारा विजुअलाइज कर रहा था व्हेन यू वर सेइंग फ्रॉम आवर ओन बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. यार हम भी जीरो से स्टार्ट हुए, एक एक्स नंबर करा, स्टार्टेड फंडिंग. उसमें क्या हुआ कि मेन धंधा बिजनेस ये सबसे भी आप हट जाते हो, आपको फोकस एक करना ही है वहाँ पे, राइट. एंड देन यू सी ऑल दोज नंबर्स, यू सी सर्टेन रिजेक्शन, देन यू फाइंड कि नहीं यार पहले बिजनेस बना लेते हैं. एंड अब बिजनेस एट अ स्केल कि ठीक है अब आप ब्रेक इवन टाइप पे पहुँच गए हो. आज अगर आप जाते हो कहीं से बात करते हो, फंडिंग बात करते हो, मे बी देयर विल बी ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट माइंडसेट rather than when we were going 2 years back, 2.5 years back, right. We have
And पैसा आ जाता है यार. If the business is good, like we raised the same amount at like 7-8% dilution. काम उसके लिए 45% lose कर रहे थे.
और
तो it just comes.
Shark Tank application process, journey, preliminary screening, the D-Day, Big Day, we have discussed these in our previous startups as well, बहुत detail में. अभी maybe the audience also would love to understand कि जब वहाँ पे हम हैं impromptu, live, बहुत लोगों में देयर इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन में, आई डोंट नो हाउ ट्रू एंड हाउ फॉल्स इट इज, के स्क्रिप्टेड होता है, अनस्क्रिप्टेड होता है, या ये चीज़ें कट पेस्ट भी होती हैं. कट पेस्ट तो डेफिनेटली होगी, बट दीज आर फुल्ली स्क्रिप्टेड. वो पहले से ड्यू डिलिजेंस होके रखता है, देन इट्स पहले से डिसाइडेड कि करना है कि नहीं करना. वन मिथ यू हैव टू ब्रेक फॉर आवर ऑडियंस कि पहले से डिसाइडेड रहता है कि नहीं रहता है.
नहीं. सो मुझे ये नहीं पता पहले से डिसाइडेड है कि नहीं, क्योंकि अगर उन्होंने पहले से डिसाइड किया होगा तो हमें तो नहीं पता है. सो दैट आई कैन नॉट कमेंट बिकॉज मेरे को पता ही नहीं है. स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं होता. सो द वे इट वर्क्स इज यू गेट इनटू द टैंक. आप पहली बार शार्क से तभी मिलते हो जो 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 दिखाते हैं ना, दरवाजा खुल रहा है, आप घुस रहे हो, वहां से वो बिल्कुल नो कट चल रहा होता है. तो सामने वाला पूछ रहा है, आप जवाब दे रहे हो. हमारा 2 घंटे की पिच चली थी.
एंड 23-24 मिनट में देखी
जो आप, हाँ एग्जैक्टली, जो आपने 23-24 मिनट में देखी है. तो एंड दैट इज लाइक कोई कट नहीं है, कोई वो नहीं है. इट इज़ लाइक एवरी टाइम द कैमरा इज ऑन, दे मेक यू साइन अ थिंग कि जो भी शूट होगा हमें उसे एयर करने का पूरा राइट है. यू कैन नॉट आस्क अस टू एडिट, डिलीट, कमेंट. तो इट्स लाइक दैट.
ठीक है. द एंट्री, द फर्स्ट 3 minutes, मैं मतलब आई एम फॉलोइंग शार्क टैंक फ्रॉम सीजन 1, 2, 3, 4. मतलब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूनिक एंड एनर्जेटिक पिच आई कैन से, कि मतलब मुझे लगा था कि ये किसी और चीज़ के स्टार्टअप है या कुछ, मतलब देयर इज सर्विस रिलेटेड टू मे बी, बहुत ही मतलब कैन नॉट कनेक्ट कि जिस तरह से वो टोन सेट हो. लेकिन इन द 1.5 minute, 2 minutes, when those buying personas were getting changed from Rocky to Vaishali to Parminder, तो समझ आ रहा था कि हाँ. But kudos, and it was a very very interesting initial
Thank you.
pitch which we have seen, right. But those questions maybe some, जब आप वो questions impromptu कर रहे होते हो, तो people who will be appearing on the Shark Tank season 5 और Shark Tank season 4 और जो अभी तैयारी कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट सीजन की, कितना रेडी होके जा सकते हैं, एंड हाउ, क्योंकि आपके एपिसोड से देयर इज अ वेरी लर्निंग्स विच कैन कम आउट, राइट, के ये चीज़ें होंगी बिकॉज दे आर ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द टेबल, वी आर ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द टेबल. हाउ टू हैंडल दैट, बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग अ बिजनेस, वी आर रनिंग अ बिजनेस. अगर हम लाइव हो रहे हैं तो वी आर एट सर्टेन लेवल भाई, है ना. बट देयर आर सर्टेन लाइव थिंग्स कि जिसको हमें, यू डिडंट वेंट ऑफ हो गए कि नहीं, ये हाउ यू टेक अप फ्रॉम डेट अप एंड डाउन और फाइनली सिक्योर डेट कि दो भाई 70 लेने आए थे, 70 तो लेके जाएंगे, राइट, इट्स माय टर्म. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को ना होपलेस हो सकते हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन पीपल आर गोइंग फ्रॉम tier 2, tier 3 cities, राइट, फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन कैमरा, फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन टेलीविजन. सो सर्टेन एक्सपर्ट कमेंट्स ऑन दैट.
सो मुझे व्हेन आई वाज रिसर्चिंग, क्योंकि हम लोग शार्क टैंक सीजन 3 में थे, तो हमको काफ़ी पता था कि दूसरे फाउंडर्स के एक्सपीरियंसेस पता थे. तो ये तो पता था कि बहुत ग्रिलिंग होती है. एंड व्हाट माय हस्बैंड टोल्ड मी वाज कि यार सुन के मत आना, सुना के आ जाना चाले. सो आई वेंट विद दैट कि मेरे को किसी की बकवास नहीं सुननी है. तब तक बिकॉज आई हैड पिच टू सो मेनी पीपल, आई हैड ऑल्सो रियलाइज कि किसी को कुछ आता है नहीं, फ्री का ज्ञान सब, बिकॉज nobody knows your business. They might know their business very well, but there is no universal cast in stone truth कि ये तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, वो तो वैसे ही होना चाहिए. There could be opinion. So I went with my confidence, and that's why जो भी उस episode में I came across as rude because like edit करके दिखाते हैं, right, like there was a build up to that कि आप सामने वाले को बार बार नीचा दिखा रहे हो, बार बार नीचा दिखा रहे हो, तो सामने वाला देगा. एंड देन इट गॉट ऑन टू माई कैरेक्टर कि आप रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हो लोगों का, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. एंड विच वॉज अ पॉइंट दैट आई लाइक रियली ब्रोक डाउन कि अब मैं नहीं लड़ सकती हूँ. एंड लाइक यू नो मेरे टप 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 आंसू गिरने लग गए. Which was that's how it happened. Then उसमें क्या हुआ था, then I drank some water and then they said कि आपका क्या व्यू है, and then I got my chance. मैंने अपनी लंबी चौड़ी speech दी, and then we came to business. So I was very confident मेरा business अच्छा है, like we had, for the amount of money that was put in, the kind of NPS we were generating, I had a lot of confidence and in my business. So I अब बहुत सारी चीज़ें अनकंट्रोलेबल हैं. आई मीन लाइक ऑल दैट आई वुड टेल लाइक एस्पिरेंट्स ऑफ शार्क टैंक इज आप प्लीज जाओ. देयर कुड बी नथिंग बेटर देन शार्क टैंक फॉर योर बिजनेस. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म. उस तरह की आप समझ लो शाहरुख खान भी अगर आपकी मार्केटिंग करे तो भी आप उस लेवल का बिजनेस आउटकम्स नहीं कर सकते. अब वो थोड़ा सा कॉस्ट पे आएगा, आपकी थोड़ी बेइज्जती होगी.
ना बिल्कुल. फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, वेदर यू गेट फंड और नॉट, ठीक है. बहुत अभी आप स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ में गए थे, हम भी गए थे. बहुत सारे बूथ्स में सिर्फ टेलीविजन पे शार्क टैंक का एपिसोड रन हो रहा था. नाउ वो एक हाइप तो बनता है लोगों में कि यार जाके तो देखे, वहां आए तो कुछ तो होगा, राइट. अब 100 पिच आती हैं, शायद 50-60 को फंड मिलता है, 30-40 को नहीं मिलता, बट जिनको नहीं भी मिलता उनके ट्रैक्शन और मैट्रिक्स बहुत अच्छे हो जाते हैं उस एंगल से.
यू गेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू टेल योर स्टोरी, लाइक राइट फ्रॉम द फाउंडर्स. लाइक हमारे पास कितने कस्टमर्स आते हैं, मेरे को लिंक्डइन पे मैसेज कर रहे हैं, मैंने आपका शार्क टैंक का देख के ही आपकी सर्विस ली थी, बिकॉज आई फाउंड कन्विक्शन इन द फाउंडर. आज का कंज्यूमर इज वेरी, दे वांट टू नो कि ये प्रोडक्ट किसका है, ये क्या इथॉस से बना है. And you get 30 minutes to talk about your business. You will never get that kind of traction anywhere.
Fully agree. और फिर लाइक बहुत सारे सीजन 1-2 के आप स्टार्टअप्स देख लो, फंडिंग नहीं मिली और दे ग्रिल्ड एट अ लेवल लाइक लकी के उसमें मान लो मशीन ग्रोवर नहीं है, बट
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा आप ग्रिल होते हो तो, क्योंकि पॉपुलर भी तो वही होता है ना एपिसोड. इट्स एन एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस, तो याद भी तो वही रहता है.
उन्होंने ग्रिल कर दिया या उन्होंने उस लेवल के पिचेस कर दिए, फंडिंग भी नहीं हुई, उस समय पे लगा यार बेइज्जती सी हो गई है. लेकिन बाद में उनके ट्रैक्शन और मैट्रिक्स इतने बड़े मंथ ऑन मंथ, मतलब बहुत अजीब अजीब से स्टार्टअप्स थे, मैं बता नहीं रहा. एक ऑयल वाला आया था, राइट, बहुत अच्छे से ग्रिल हो गया था, लेकिन बाद में उसके आप सेल्स के नंबर देखो,
सबको याद है वो नेवल ऑयल वाला,
आप उसके बिजनेस नंबर्स देखो प्री एंड पोस्ट. आप एक पॉप्सिकल ब्रांड आया था बेंगलोर का, उसका भी बहुत ज्यादा वैसे चला गया था और फंडेड भी नहीं हुआ, लेकिन उसके बाद उसके ट्रैक्शन देखो. झाजी अचार, मतलब वो देयर आर 2 फीमेल आंटीज फ्रॉम बिहार, दे प्रिपेयर होममेड अचार.
मैंने ऑर्डर किया झाजी अचार.
हाँ, फंडिंग नहीं मिली. बाद में नमिता एंड दे वेंट देयर, दे फंडेड देम. आफ्टर दैट उनके मैट्रिसेस इतने अच्छे हो गए. आपके भी नंबर यू वर मेंशनिंग ओनली समवेयर कि फ्रॉम X to you cross to 17 plus cities, you have now clinics, X revenue to maybe इतना, right. I'm believing कि और सारे metrics भी improve हो रहे हैं. So how is your experience pre Shark Tank and post Shark Tank? One you highlighted कि some customers calls कि हमने Shark Tank में देखा था. Certain other
आपकी हायरिंग बहुत शॉर्ट हो जाती है.
हाँ,
लाइक मुझे मेरी करंट टीम शार्क टैंक के थ्रू आई है, लाइक ऑल ऑफ देम. क्योंकि यू नो द पीपल हु आर अलाइंड विथ योर विजन, दे रीच आउट टू यू कि हमें काम करना है. आपके वेंडर्स आपके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं बिकॉज उनको ट्रस्ट रहता है. बिकॉज स्टार्टअप्स के साथ बहुत वेंडर्स नहीं, पता नहीं इनका पेमेंट आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, इनका बिजनेस कितने टाइम तक टिकेगा. So I think all in all, like I said, like the kind of credibility that a celebrity can give you, Shark Tank gives you 10 times more than that.
10x. You give one example of customers calling from after watching Shark Tank episode and others. Your vendors work with you, right? हायरिंग सबसे बड़ा मेरे ख्याल से ऑब्स्टेकल या सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल, मैं तो आज की डेट में मानता हूँ सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल है हायरिंग द पीपल विच यू वांट टू हायर, और वो आपको पता भी बाद में चलते. हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद अनुपम एंड अमन पोस्ट शार्क टैंक? मे बी पहले तो शायद आई डोंट नो यू आर अवेयर, बट how are investors involved in day-to-day business or maybe on a quarterly basis, right? How are लाइक अर्ली स्टेज में ये भी रहता है कि यार बढ़िया इन्वेस्टर से फंडिंग लेंगे तो बिजनेस में स्ट्रेटेजिकल ग्रोथ मिलेगी, बिजनेस में ये मिलेगा वो मिलेगा, ये भी एक एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती है एज अ फर्स्ट टाइम फंड रेजर और फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई एम सीइंग फंड्स। मेरे रहता है यार बढ़िया वाला इन्वेस्टर आएगा ना तो बिजनेस में तो हेल्प मिलेगी, नेटवर्क इतना हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेटेजिक मिलेगा, फ्री का मेरे को एक बोर्ड लेवल पे एक एडवाइजर मिल जाएगा। हाउ डज दैट चेंज आफ्टर यू गेट?
I think it depends. See, you will get the help based on how much you ask for it. Um, Whenever we have reached out to the teams, of course, you get to meet the sharks, but like once, but it's mostly their teams who would help you. उनके पास खुद का इतना बड़ा business है manage करने के लिए, वो कितने लोगों से one on one interact करेंगे. So every time I have reached out to the team, I've got the right support. It's a different thing that मुझे बहुत बार reach out करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी because my business is very very different. It's a services business. कुछ लोगों को बहुत handhold भी किया है. I know a few people who've been like very very well supported. Obviously, there is a section of people who might not get the expected experience, but I think varies from founder to founder.
Again, we have discussed a lot about consulting business to startup to women founders to women entrepreneurs, early stage challenges. We have talked about investors, we have talked about business models, different business models, expectation from different stakeholders, all those multitasking management, juggling motherhood with business with investors, right? Any quick 2-3 tips I'm for two personas, maybe specifically one a young aspiring woman founder or maybe would be founder, and one any other founder, right? Women में क्या होता है 2-3 challenges or 2-3 things get added which maybe a man founder are not
Yeah.
facing. To be very honest,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are a
yeah, of
mother.
course.
I'm out from my house for 20 hours, right? But my wife is there, right? So that's a different kind of a satisfaction. But when you are out 20 hours from your home, so there are 2-3 additional roles or responsibility which a mother or a woman is playing. So quick 2-3 maybe 4 things which you would like to tell them कि you would have known earlier or maybe you have done that thing very correctly and that is the result where you are today.
Fortunately or unfortunately, unlike men, अगर आपका बहुत strong support system नहीं है, then women should not get into entrepreneurship. It is very very tough, and when you come back, it is so challenging. You don't want your mother-in-law to say कि कैसी माँ है, बच्चे को छोड़ दे, और you don't want your husband to rant about टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स आए थे, तुम थी नहीं, उसकी वाइफ देखो, ये वो, जो कि हमारी सोसाइटी में औरतों के साथ होता है. Men when they are starting up, then it's a different thing कि यार वो बिजनेस कर रहा है, उसको स्ट्रेस मत दो, ये वो. अनफॉर्चुनेटली 99% ऑफ द women don't have their luxury. तो अगर आप, एंड आपको पता है आप कैसी फैमिली में हो, तो अगर आप ऐसी फैमिली में हो तो इट्स नॉट वर्थ द, आपको आप 1-2 साल बाद बंद कर दोगे. So you need to have a very supportive family. So that's the check that you need to have too. Second is start something, and this is for every founder. When you believe in the mission so much कि अगर आप अपने सेविंग का लास्ट पेनी भी उस बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए रेडी नहीं हो, then there's no point starting it, because unlike the previous time, the funding market is not that great right now. अब हर किसी को PMF चाहिए, प्रूफ ऑफ रेवेन्यू चाहिए, प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए, रिपीट भी चाहिए, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए. 1.5 लाख स्टार्टअप्स रजिस्टर्ड है स्टार्टअप इंडिया में, बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स हैं. सो अगर इफ़ योर आइडिया इज कि यार मैं ये करूँगा, VCs को बहुत पसंद आएगा, या ये अभी माहौल चल रहा है मैं इसमें, there's a very high chance that you might fail. So you'll have to be very passionate, and you'll not just passionate, like thought through passionate. प्लीज आप अपने एक्सेल और डेटा देख लीजिए, हो सकता है जो प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए हो वो कंज्यूमर्स के लिए नहीं हो. सो बी बिवेयर ऑफ दैट. थर्ड थिंग दैट आई वुड से इज, आउट ऑफ माई एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ अदर स्टार्टअप्स, जस्ट स्टे एट इट. अगर आप का स्टार्टअप जिंदा है तो वो बढ़ता रहेगा, पर मर जाएगा तो बचेगा ही नहीं. सो यू हैव टू फिगर आउट सर्वाइवल से इम्पॉर्टेंट कुछ नहीं है.
Right. Any business leader or maybe woman leader you are inspired with, or maybe whom you followed earlier in your days, or maybe when you were growing up? Not
मैं तो इस सेगमेंट से हूँ, तो इस सेगमेंट में तो इट्स ऑलवेज बीन सोलो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो Falguni from Nykaa, Vandana Luthra who set up VLCC, Shehnaz Hussain who set up a beauty chain, Forest Essential founder, and these were all अपार्ट फ्रॉम फाल्गुनी, इन लोग तो बहुत, दे आर नॉट लाइक वेरी पेडिग्रीड या बहुत पढ़े लिखे. दे हैव बिल्ड देयर बिजनेसेस प्योरली ऑन ग्रिट एंड फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल्स.
Right.
So
And do you also read certain books to have now, not, but earlier when you were growing up, when you were maybe studying, maybe when you started your career? क्योंकि उस समय पे सब लोग ये बोलते बुक्स पढ़ो. When we were also growing up, कि read these many books, ये वाली book तो पढ़ लेना. So have you followed that ever?
no,
Or
I've
maybe
never been
हाँ,
a books
क्योंकि
person.
इसका क्वेश्चन का असली आंसर ये था कि there are lot of suggestions in the market available, सारे नहीं मानने होते. कोई बोले कि ये करो, कोई बोले वो करो, कोई बोले बुक्स पढ़ो, ये 4 बुक्स तो पढ़ना ही पढ़ना. फाउंडर्स आर रीडिंग 52 बुक्स अ ईयर. सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पॉडकास्ट का ये होता है कि यू आर अ फाउंडर.
कोई फाउंडर
You are a
52
founder.
बुक्स नहीं पढ़ रहा है.
How
किसके
many
पास
founders read
टाइम है?
52
अरे
books
कोई
in a
टाइम
year?
नहीं है किसी का. नो फाउंडर्स रीडिंग 52 बुक्स अ ईयर.
Right. So,
आई डोंट थिंक सो. मतलब जो कर पाते हैं, लाइक मोर पावर टू देम. बट आई डू स्टे क्लूड इनटू द नेटवर्क. अगर कोई भी कंज्यूमर स्पेस में डील हुई है, तो ये कौन सी डील है, वो स्टार्टअप कब शुरू हुआ, उसका क्या रेवेन्यू है, उसका क्या वैल्यूएशन पे डील हुई है, कौन वीसी था, वो मुझे सब पता रहता है. सो आई मतलब आई एम अ लिंक्डइन कीड़ा. तो जब मैं इंस्टाग्राम जितना नहीं देखती हूँ उतना
You're
मैं
very
लिंक्डइन
active on
देखती हूँ.
LinkedIn.
आई ऑफ लेट आई एम नॉट वेरी एक्टिव माई सेल्फ, बट आई एम ऑलवेज ऑन लिंक्डइन. सो
Great.
उससे थोड़ा सा पता चलता
That
रहता
has
है.
helped us prepare this show as well. Right? A lot of insights and content from LinkedIn.
Yeah.
So great. Last question. We talked about team. We talked about right kind of a team. We talked about like retaining the right type of a talent. And you mentioned about ESOPs and other things as well for there. Right. So how do you think in the long run, in the short run, like giving certain things over and above or beyond fixed plus variable plus certain short-term incentives, how do they will play a long-term role in retaining your right team, maybe founders office or maybe your leadership team or
I
maybe
think they
which
play
you are
a
right now?
they play a very important role. Why would somebody stay with you? आप ये जैसे एज अ फाउंडर आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो? ये इसी उम्मीद में कि मेरा बिजनेस इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा तो मेरी शेयर होल्डिंग की वैल्यू इतनी हो जाएगी.
Right.
दैट्स हाउ एवरी गुड पर्सन थिंक्स. जो भी स्टार्टअप आ रहा है, लाइक a good qualified pedigreed person, if they are working for a startup, they are not working for the salary, because that salary or maybe even a lot more they'll get outside working for MNCs with less stress, with less uncertainty, with structured processes, with working with very professional people. So unless you are incentivizing them to be a part of the longer game, why would they be?
Right. Thank you so much, Soumya. With this, we'll uh,
Thank you.
with not willingly, but we'll close today's discussion. So once again, thank you everyone for watching this till the end. I hope there are a lot of insights, a lot of new information, and a lot of myths that has been busted, and we have tried to bust. If not, please drop us on comments what all things you want to know related to skincare, related to these kind of treatments, and any specific terminologies which you think like these should be highlighted or discussed upon. As aspiring entrepreneur, I am looking out for these kind of answers. I'm looking out for these kind of experiences or insights from the founders like these. So do write us, and we hope this you learned a lot maybe, and we'll try to bring more such successful or more such proven startups and founders and their stories and how they have built it, so that the good things and the not to do things we can take and as a learning. Thank you once again, Soumya.
Thank
I
you.
hope this was very quick and fast
No,
for you.
I had a great time conversing on this.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vayu.